CJ.com has 780 data feeds available. If you want to find them, all you have to do is go click on the link, sign into your account at CJ. The accounts are free. When you sign up for the account, it's free. They will require that you file a tax form with them if you're a U.S. resident, but other than that, it's not a problem. You can fax it back. You then go and click on Advertiser List, and you click on Additional Search Options. And under Link Type, drop-down box, choose Product Catalog. So sign into CJ, click on Advertiser List, go under Additional Search Options, click on the Link Type drop-down menu, and choose Product Catalog. You can filter by language. You can filter by the type of product that you're looking for. Here's the catch. You have to pay $250 to be set up with data feeds in CJ.com, and they will only give you 5. However, since I've done some business with CJ, we warehouse hundreds of them on our servers as part of Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro. So part of the service is we update them weekly for you. We don't have all of them because I had to get approval from the individual sponsors. One thing you need to know is even if they have a product catalog, you can't use their data feed and get paid if you don't apply to the person who owns the data feed first. Does that make sense? So if BestBuy.com has a data feed, I don't know if they do or don't, you got to get approved within the CJ account system to actually sell Best Buy products. Once you get approved, you can use their data feed. That's all. So there's 780 data feeds. If one of them is BestBuy.com, simply apply to the BestBuy.com, CJ.com affiliate program. And once you get approved, you can pay $250 to get the BestBuy.com data feed. Is that clear? If you use the free $1 sign-up link for Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro, part of the monthly fee, it's only $20, we warehouse them for our clients. And the tool will take your SID or PID, which is a tracking code from within CJ.com, and guess what it does? Your feeds then become, my feeds become your feeds. Our feeds don't have, what we do is we take you tell us which PID you want to put in, which is your code, which they call SID and PID for different tracking reasons. PID is the domain that it belongs to, I believe. So you can track on a domain level. You tell us what the PID is that you want us to put in there. You don't tell us. You just pop it into your Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro program and say, I want keywords about electronics, and it comes from CJ. If you're approved to resell CJ's electronic products for that data feed, they'll spit it out, a pre-formatted feed that you can drop into your WordPress blog and have those blogs that we looked at. So we still have to takes a couple of minutes. We still have to be approved for that. You still have to be approved for the person that you're promoting. But we can use our feed. We warehouse it for you. But you have to be personally approved by the person who is the CJ advertiser. Is that clear? It's real. Okay. I want to make sure that you guys are approved before you start using them. Won't do you any good. You won't get paid. You can use the data feed all you want, but you won't get paid if you're not approved to be a reseller for that person in CJ. So you apply to CJ.com. You then filter through data feeds. And after you've filtered through data feeds product catalog right here, you can search by language. You can search by category of product. And it'll give you a big listing of products that are available for you. What you have to do first is when you find a product catalog that you'd like to work with, I can't guarantee we'll have it. We don't have all of them. We have 300 or 400 of them. If you do, you just click Apply to the program, and they tell you yes or no if you're accepted. Once you're accepted, you can promote their product using the data feed. If you,
so are we limited to the 5?
No, if you pay $250 to CJ.com, you're limited to 5. Or for part of your $20 monthly fee on Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro, you get access to all the ones that we have access to.
Okay,
so if there's ones that we don't have and you absolutely have to have them, you can ask us to try to get approved for them. And if we can't, then you could bite the bullet and spend $250. But here's what I would do, what I've done. Go directly to the company itself and see if they have an RSS data feed outside of CJ that you could use as an affiliate. And a lot of them do.
Does this go into link share and other affiliates as well, or just CJ?
Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro itself will search the CJ database. It'll work with LinkShare. It'll work with Commission Monster. It'll work with several other large affiliate networks. And we can add more if we need to, but basically it'll work with any data feed you can get your hands on.
Okay.
So, But by default,
Thanks.
we've got a bunch of them built in. So you, through affiliatetrafficmachinepro.com, as long as you're approved by the individual affiliate companies, you have the ability to produce thousands of data feeds in format that you can use in your web blogs or any other format that you want. You don't have to just use it to build a whole website. Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro, I showed you what a data feed was. That XML feed, it's just the big structure. All it is a bunch of text files, right? There's a bunch of information in a text file. Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro, you can tell it, I need keywords to build my website with. Here's my data feed from BestBuy.com. I really want to sell the plasma TVs from BestBuy.com specifically, and I need a list of highly focused keywords, the type of keywords that convert. Product descriptions. When someone searches for product descriptions, what do we know? Conversion is substantially higher when they're looking for the product model number. You say, okay, I don't want to build a blog with it, but I want the keywords. So I can then take those keywords and use my traffic equalizer or my directory generator program or my silo generator program. Because if you're building a website with one of those traffic generation tools, what do you need? Keywords. Don't they usually require keywords? Traffic generators, you know what I'm talking about? Any of those automated systems, you have to feed them keywords, right? That's what we do as internet marketers. You feed them keywords. So you can go over to wordtracker.com if you want to. You can go over to Google and use their API if you want to, but you got to work with it and do all kinds of stuff. Or you can go into Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro and say, I want to target the specific data feed or keywords from a certain program, extract them for me, put it in a text file that I can copy and paste into my site generation software like Traffic Equalizer, Directory Generator, Portal Feeder, you name it. Any software program you need that needs highly focused keywords, the kind of keywords that convert, that are up to date, because what do we know about data feeds? You think Amazon.com wants to give me content that's 3 years old? How are they going to make any sales that way? There's a new hot product that's available for sale. Who's going to have it first? Who's going to have a hot product for sale first? Who has the biggest shipments of Nintendo Wiis or Apple Nanos before anyone else does? The big boys. Amazon, Best Buy. Just so happens they also have data feeds, and they update their data feeds on a daily or weekly basis. So then the newest product keywords that aren't in Word Tracker and they aren't in the other places show up in the data feeds, and you extract them. They're also keywords that convert, build your websites on. This isn't about Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro, by the way. Someone asked, so I'm just telling you.
So this morning I signed up for Amazon, bought ATM, going to spin the little thing, but it asked for one website. So in your model, 3, a special product comes out, go grab that URL, build it out. Do you have to go back into CJ or into Amazon and then give them another website?
Who asked for the website?
Amazon did when I signed up.